Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Cooking with Mitisha. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make chocolate chip cookie in a microwave just in 1 minute. I'm going to give a credit to Emma Goodies for this recipe. This is from her. I tried, I loved it. So thought of sharing with you guys. I'm sure you also going to like it. If you're craving for nice freshly baked cookies, then this is perfect. You can make in portions just in 1 minute in the microwave. So let's get started with the recipe. So I have all the ingredients laid here, and again this recipe is from Emma's Goodies. So let's start. I will add this butter into this bowl, and I'm going to leave the ingredient list and the measurement in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. Now into this butter I will add sugar. Now I'm using brown sugar, but you can of course use white sugar if you don't have brown one. I'm just going to give it a stir. Now into this I will add my flour. Mix it. Okay, now I will add all my rest of the ingredient: baking soda, salt, and milk. I'll mix it all very nice. And now after mixing a little bit, I'm going to add chocolate chips. You can add as much or as less you like. I have used about 1.5 tablespoons. The dough is ready. I'm just going to knead it just to make sure everything is well combined. Okay, our dough is ready and nicely mixed, as you can see. With this, if you want to make smaller, you can divide this into 2 portions. I'm gonna do 2 small out of this.
But you can make one big cookie. Portion control is really important, guys, especially when we are eating sugar. We can eat a lot of sugar without realizing, so that's why I'm making these 2 cookies out of this dough, so I can easily do a portion control. And now I just have shaped them, and please excuse my nail paint.
And I have parchment paper right here, so spread it as thin or thick I like. I think this much is enough. And now we can add more chocolate chips to this if you want. Now here I have pieces here, so I want to cut this into half if possible and put it right into the center and press it a little bit. Now I'm going to cook this for 1 minute into the microwave. You want to make sure that you don't overcook it. That's very important. So I'm cooking for 1 minute. Every microwave is different, so add maybe few seconds, maybe 10 seconds more if your cookie is not cooked. So cook for 1 minute and 5 seconds or 10 seconds max, but not longer than that. So I'm gonna put this into the microwave for 1 minute. And that's cooking. After 1 minute, my cookies are nicely cooked. They are very soft right now, as you can see. So you want to let this cool down for at least 3 to 4 minutes, and then after that I will show you. And they have cooled down a little bit, so I'm going to cut one and show you.
It's so delicious. I have tried already, so that's why I'm telling you without even tasting. It's so delicious. You should give this recipe a try.
Thanks for watching this video, and if you want to support to my channel, then make sure to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to watch all other videos listed right here, and like this video and share this video with your friends and family. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.